My name is Casper, and I'm a technical consultant at Protox. Protox is specialist in building remediation since 2003. AS25 is used to fix dust and asbestos fibres to surfaces before and after the removal of materials such as roofing sheets, insulation, plaster, and paint. Please find a brief introduction to AS25. The product can only be used by professionals and does not replace the use of protective equipment or subsequent cleaning. In addition, please follow your local Working Environment Authority's guidelines on asbestos work, including the section on cleaning and inspections prior to the completion of asbestos-related tasks. AS25 is a fibre-binding agent designed to fix dust and asbestos fibres on all types of surfaces. The product can be used both indoors and outdoors. It is water-based and free from VOCs. AS25 has high surface penetration and dries completely within a few days. Shake well before use. For detailed product specifications, please visit protox.dk/UK. Thanks for watching. My name is Casper, and I'm an AI-generated technical consultant at Protox. For more information about our expertise in building remediation, please visit protox.dk/UK, where you can also download the AS25 product datasheet and safety datasheet.